Hi, I'm Kate, and I'm going to be teaching you about classes in Java. So this is a class, and this class is called dog. In the past, we've just been working with this main class, which is um, where you have stuff like system.out.print and scanner and stuff like that. But this is the dog class, and this is something that I made myself. And it's important to understand how classes work in Java because they're a gateway to a lot of very they're very customizable, and you can use them for whatever purposes that you want. So analyzing this is the header for the class. So this is public class dog. So the name of the class is dog. These are the variables, the age and the name of the dog. And this is the first, this is what we would call, in every class there's a constructor method. And in short, what this does is it takes information from outside the class and it converts it into a format that is usable in the class. So in this case, we're taking two parameters, int a and string s. And then what's going to happen is we're going to assign them to the age and the dog name variables that are in the class. So because these are created, these two variables were created outside of the in because these two variables were created in between these two brackets, they can be used anywhere in any of these methods. But because these parameters are only defined in these two brackets, we can't use them out here, which is why we have to do this so it can be used everywhere. And this is a print method, which is going to print the information that we have gathered using the constructor method. So going back to the main class, this is how you create an object with the class. So you're going to start with the class name, and then you're going to assign whatever name you want to it, like a variable. And then you got the equals, new, and then class name again. And if there were no parameters, you would leave these parentheses blank. But because we have parameters in this class, we have the age, which is int a, if you remember going back here, and string s, which is the name of the dog. So all that's left is this, which is this is how you would use this print method. So we use the object that we created, Jim, and we use the print method on Jim to print the method, print the information that was stored using the constructor method under the object Jim. So the result of this, when we run the code, we wait for it to run, that prints the name is Jim and the age is 5. So if we wanted to create another object, call it Randy. Again, Randy is going to be 12 years old. It could be any number, really. Randy. This on its own doesn't do anything. So you have to have, if I run this code again, you're going to see that we're just going to see the Jim dog print out the information. If we want to use the information from the Randy dog, I'm going to copy this and then replace. So now instead of printing the information from Jim, it'll print the information from Randy. Yep, so we have the name is Randy and the age is 12. Thank you for listening.